In this video, let us learn how to use index and match for partial match. Let us consider this as a dataset example. Here we have ID, name and sales value. But if you observe the name column, it is also having the month name attached to it as a prefix. Now let us try to find the value of sales value in cell H4 with the partial text, that is with the exact name of salesperson as shown in cell H3. First select cell H4 and write down the following formula in that cell. Equals to index, select the range as D4 to D14, comma, match, open the parenthesis. In the inverted quotes, type asterisk, ampersand, select the cell H3, comma, now select the range C4 to C14, comma, 0 and close the parenthesis and again close the parenthesis. After that, press enter. You will get your desired result of the index and match functions like this. Got it? Similarly, you may include the asterisk either left or right or both ways to search the partial text value. Got it, friends? In this way, one can use index and match for partial match lookup in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.